Meet the Poclean Wash 330, India's longest lasting battery-powered flosser. With a powerful 160 psi of water pressure, it's strong enough to blast away plaque yet gentle on the gums. Weighing just 208 grams, it's the lightest flosser in its segment. That means it's easy to pack, perfect to hold, and ready to go wherever you want. It comes with a 140 ml of removable water tank, which fills up fast and holds enough water for a smooth uninterrupted flossing experience. Most dental water flossers don't fully drain, which leaves residual water inside the tank, where bacteria and fungi grows. Using this contaminated water again for a floss can lead to bad breath, tooth decay, plaque buildup, enamel erosion and various gum infections. But with our Poclean patented zero residual water tank design, water drains completely after every use, helping prevent bacteria and fungi buildup and keeping your tank fresh and clean every time. Charging is quick with C-type fast charging. Inside you'll find a 2500 mAh of built-in lithium-ion battery, giving you an incredible 45 to 60 days of long battery life, and also get a quick teeth cleaning in just 60 seconds. You also get 5 specialized tips to cover every need. Our innovative V-Spiral tip is specially designed for beginners, offering a gentle yet effective clean that's very moderate on gums. Its unique spiral design grips plaque better, reaches tight spaces, and even works around braces, something no other company provides. Tongue cleaner tip, which removes bacteria and freshens breath by clearing odor-causing residue from your tongue. Classic jet tip for a strong water jet for everyday deep cleaning and helps maintain gum health by reducing plaque and bacteria. Orthodontic tip, which is designed specially for braces, wires and retainers. It removes plaque from hard to clean orthodontic areas. Pickpocket tip for a gentle low-pressure rinse for deep gum cleaning, and it's ideal for gingivitis, periodontitis, or sensitive gums. Here's how to use Wash 330. Step 1. Begin by carefully installing the tip on your Wash 330. Step 2. Fill the water tank through the provided inlet and do not use any other source. Step 3. Press the power button to turn on your flosser. Step 4. Press the mode button and select from the 3 smart modes, in which clean mode gives a powerful jet stream for deep cleaning between teeth. Soft mode for a gentle pressure stream, ideal for sensitive gums or first-time users. And pulse mode, in which rhythmic pulses massages your gums and improves circulation. And step 5. Lean over to the sink, place the tip in your mouth, partially close your lips and glide it slowly along the teeth to let the water flush away any debris, and at last let the water flow into the sink. Pick your favorite color for your Wash 330. Available in mint green, white, and in peach pink. And don't forget, our Wash 330 comes with a 1-year unconditional warranty.